Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play Spotify song while playing Roblox. So the first step you simply need to do is to go on to the Spotify. So once you are on Spotify, you simply need to play the song. Okay, then you need to go back and open Play Store and start playing Roblox. It will take few seconds to load. So now you can enjoy any game. So let's suppose I'm going to play this game. Okay, so now I am enjoying this game. So you simply need to click here, and here you can see that this is the chat setting. You click on three dots and inventory and motions. So we're going to click on this Roblox icon, click on settings, and we need to make the volume of the game 0, and in the background you can easily listen to the Spotify song. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.